Hello everybody, I hope you're having a good quarantine period. My name is Eduardo Vite. I am the laboratory technician here at Bakersfield College. Today we're going to be demonstrating entropy in the form of dissolving a small amount of ammonium nitrate in some water and measuring the temperature changes to determine whether the entropy delta S has increased or decreased. So for the first step, we will have a small beaker of ammonium nitrate, as you can see here, the white powder with a magnetic stir bar. And we have, of course, a small graduated cylinder of some deionized water. And so what we must do is, the first thing is, we must determine whether or not this ammonium nitrate is an ionic solid or a covalent solid or a metallic solid. That will be an exercise left to the student. We must observe the properties of the salt. So I will be zooming in a bit so you can observe the ammonium nitrate. You can also Google image powdered ammonium nitrate so you can see the color and the size of the crystals as part of the observations that the lab is requiring. So with this piece of information, you should be able to complete questions 1 through 3. Moving on, we will be holding the beaker in our hand, and we will be getting a thermometer in here, which we have in the form of a lab quest. So the first thing I will be doing is, we have our beaker containing a small amount of ammonium nitrate with a stir bar, and I have my LabQuest probe set to measure the temperature. As you can see, we have a consistent reading of ambient temperature, so our LabQuest is working well. What I will be doing is, I will be pouring this small amount of water into the beaker of ammonium nitrate, and I will be measuring its initial and its final temperature. So the first step is, I will be setting up the LabQuest here, and then I will place the temperature in there, and I will go ahead and add the small amount of water. And you can see the temperature drops slightly as a result of the temperature of the water. And observe the temperature as I mix the beaker full of the ammonium nitrate. And to describe, right now my hand feels colder than the rest of the ambient temperature. The beaker is still feeling cold. And then we will let the temperature stabilize a bit so we can get an accurate reading.
This shows temperature versus time, where it starts out at room temperature, and with the addition of ammonium nitrate to water, the temperature plummets down to about 16 C, and then you see a slight warming, probably due to the warmth from Eduardo's hand.